Hi, so for this 300 that I have just paid for, we're gonna do a little bit different. You're going to put everything on Mercari, but you're going to list it from List Perfectly, and I'll show you how to do it. So when you're logged into List Perfectly, you go to My Listings, and then right here you have to set the criteria. You have to, when you click on it, you just scroll down, and you have to check not sold, and then you have to check not Mercari and search. Okay, and then it's showing you it's 413 items. Now what you have to do is see this icon right here, because you could do multiples at the same time, and you're going to go in the order that these pens appear until you finish 300. So you're going to click on this icon and see how it says stop. So you could click several of them at the same time depending on the speed of your internet. So let's say you want to do 5 at a time, then you click stop, and then it's asking you what platform you want to put it on. Click Mercari and make sure you have another tab open and you're already logged into Mercari, and then you press copy, and it's going to open slowly all the other tabs, each tab for separate listing. Okay, so the listing is open. It already transferred most of the information in here, so there's only a couple of things that you have to fill out. Category, so you have to look at whether it's men or women. This is men jeans size 31 and it's straight. So you have to scroll down, category, you go to men, jeans, and then it was straight. And then it's a size 31, so I already went into it. American Eagle brand, good condition. And then you scroll down. This already is set up, so you don't have to do anything else. And then pricing, do $5 less than what it transfers, so 20 for this one. And then right here it says on. Right here it says on. Always make sure to click on it. See, and turn it off. Okay, and then click list. And it's going to list the item for you. Okay, and then that's it. This item is done. So you go to the next one. Like I said, you could do one by one, you could do several depending on the speed of your internet. Okay, the next one, it's taking a little while to load. Okay, it's a skinny jeans size 6, but in the size you're not going to have 6, so you have to take the waist and multiply by 2, so that's going to be 27. So skinny jeans, and this is women jeans, and it was skinny. Okay, and size 27. Scroll down, $20. And we have to set this to turn off. And list it. Okay, my internet's a little slow. Okay, and then it's listed again, and you just keep on going like that. If you have any questions, or if you're having difficulties with any of them, like you're not sure if it's women or men, just skip it, because there's plenty of other ones to do.